May I help you?
I need to buy my wife an anniversary gift.
When is your anniversary?
It was yesterday.
Oh dear. How about these diamond earrings?
Perfect. I will take them.
My vacuum cleaner is not working.
Do you have a warranty?
Yes, I do.
We will repair the vacuum cleaner for free.
When will it be ready?
3 to 5 business days.
What should we have for dinner?
I am in the mood for pizza.
Pizza sounds good.
I found a coupon in the newspaper for free delivery.
Great. I don't want to go out to pick it up.
Me too. It's raining.
I am hungry.
I am hungry too.
What are you going to order?
I am going to have a hamburger and French fries.
I think I am going to order a turkey sandwich.
The food here is delicious.
I would like to return this jacket.
Is there something wrong with it?
It does not fit.
Would you like to exchange it for another size?
No, I would just like a refund, please.
Okay. The full amount will go back on your credit card.
Do you think you can get this stain out?
I think I should take it to the dry cleaners.
That is my favorite shirt.
You should be more careful with it.
I know. Do you think the dry cleaners can get it out?
I don't know. Let's ask them.
I would like to make a haircut appointment.
Our next available appointment is today at 3 p.m.
I do not get off work until 5 p.m.
How about tomorrow at 5:30 p.m.?
That's perfect.
Great. I'll send you a reminder tomorrow morning.
I ordered a black jacket, but I received a white one.
I'm very sorry to hear that. We can exchange the jacket for you.
How do I return the wrong one?
You can return it by mail or return it to one of our stores.
May I speak with the store manager, please?
I am the store manager. How can I help you?
One of your sales clerks was very rude to me.
I'm very sorry to hear that. Could you please tell me which clerk?
His name is Bob. He works in the mornings.
I will talk to Bob as soon as possible.
I would like to make an appointment to see Dr. Smith.
What do you need to see the doctor for?
I just need an annual checkup.
Okay, the doctor's next available appointment is next Monday at 10 a.m.
That's perfect. Do I need to bring anything with me?
Please bring your insurance card and photo ID. May I help you?
Yes, I would like to exchange this sweater for another size.
What size do you need?
I need a large.
Let me see if we have any more.
Okay, thank you.
We only have one more in stock.
Great. I will take it.
Would you like to look at anything else?
No, thank you. I would just like to exchange the sweater, please.
I have a problem with my online order.
What is the problem?
I ordered red roses for my wife, but she received daisies.
I'm sorry to hear that.
It is our anniversary, and roses are her favorite flowers.
I will have red roses delivered to her as soon as possible.
What should I do with the daisies?
Please keep them since we made the error.
That's very nice of you.
I hope your wife enjoys both flower bouquets.
Something is wrong with my computer.
What is wrong with it?
It will not turn on.
I will take a look at it.
How much is the repair cost?
It depends on what needs to be repaired.
Is there a charge to see what repairs are needed?
No, there is no charge to find out what is wrong. We only charge for repairs.
Okay, how long will it take?
Please come back in 2 hours.
I would like to make a haircut appointment with Anne.
Anne does not work here anymore.
When did Anne leave? She was a great hairstylist.
She moved out of the state last month.
Is there anyone else you recommend?
Jane is a great stylist.
Okay, I will try her.
She has an opening tomorrow at 4 p.m.
I will take it.
You will love Jane.
I need to see Dr. Johnson right away.
What is wrong?
I think I broke my arm.
Can you move it?
No, it hurts if I try to move it.
You need to go to the emergency room.
The emergency room is too expensive. I do not have medical insurance.
Do you have someone who can bring you here?
Yes, my friend is going to drive.
Okay. Dr. Johnson will take a look at your arm. Please come as soon as possible. Do you have this sweater in red?
We do not have any more in red, but I can order one for you.
When will it arrive?
It should take 3 to 5 business days.
That's perfect. It is a birthday gift for my mother.
When is your mother's birthday?
In 2 weeks.
I will call you when it arrives.
Here is my cell phone number.
Okay, I hope she likes the sweater.
The coffee shop is busy today.
They are having a special. If you order a donut, you get a cup of coffee for free.
Wow, I love donuts and coffee.
Me too. How do you drink your coffee?
I like to add cream and sugar.
I like black coffee.
The line is long. There are a lot of people here.
I hope they don't run out of coffee.
I hope they don't run out of donuts.
That would be worse.
What should we have for dinner?
Let's order something for delivery.
That's a great idea.
There are lots of choices around our neighborhood.
What are the choices?
We can order pizza, Chinese food, Indian food, sandwiches, or something else.
What sounds good to you?
I can eat anything. I'm very hungry now.
How about Chinese food? We can eat the leftovers tomorrow night.
I'm so hungry, there may not be any leftovers.
Can I help you?
I ordered a table a few weeks ago, but it still has not arrived.
Do you have the order number or your receipt?
No, unfortunately, I lost them both.
I see. I can try to look it up with your address or phone number.
Here is both my address and phone number.
I found your item. It was delivered to a different address.
So, what will you do about it?
I am very sorry for the error. We will send a replacement table to your correct address as soon as possible.
Thank you for your wonderful customer service.
I have an emergency. I spilled coffee on my dress and I need it dry cleaned as soon as possible.
When do you need it?
Tonight.
That's very short notice. We have a lot of customers this week.
It is my wedding anniversary and I would really like to wear this dress.
Wow, that is a big stain.
I am desperate. I will pay extra.
You have been a good customer for many years. I will do it for no extra charge.
Thank you so much. I will tell all of my friends about this place.
Thank you, too. It will be ready by 4 p.m.